All right, guys. So in the next lecture, we're going to jump right in and get started with the course. I'm going to welcome you and give you the overview, and then we'll jump right into the step-by-step process of building your store and then marketing your store and making sales and getting you profitable. So I'm really, really excited about that. I hope that you're really excited about that. But before you do anything, before you jump in, if you don't already have a Shopify account, I do have a 14-day free trial for you here. Feel free to click there'll be an attachment file in this actual lecture and the lecture following this too. Feel free to download the attachment file and click the link in there. It will take you to this page where you get a 14-day free trial for Shopify. So that's pretty cool. But on top of that, what a lot of people don't know, and obviously this relates to anything in life, not just Shopify and this free trial. But don't be afraid to ask. I want to stress this because I've had 4 free trials now on Shopify. If you don't know, I have multiple, not necessarily Shopify. I do have Shopify stores, but I have multiple drop shipping sites that I dabble with, and the key to getting your free trial extended is simply asking. Not many people ask. They take the 14-day free trial, whether it's Shopify, whether it's something else, and they just accept the fact that that's the set date. Don't be afraid to ask. You never know who's going to say yes. Okay, so that's my lesson here. Before we jump in, don't be afraid to ask. Like I said, I've had 4 trials with Shopify. 3 of the times I've asked, or actually 4 of the times I've asked, out of those 4 times, 3 of those times I've gotten my trial extended significantly. So don't be afraid to ask. Like I said, open up the file attached to this lecture or the next lecture. Download that. It's just a Word document, and we'll have a link in there for you to take you to this page where you can literally get your 14-day free trial. And then as that's coming to a close, you can call, you can email. I kind of like to play on the heartstrings with Shopify and kind of say, regardless of who you're talking to, kind of say like, listen, I really love the software. I love everything that you guys are doing. At the moment, I'm not able to afford it, or at the moment, I'm not convinced, or whatever the case may be. You want to present yourself as a qualified lead to them, somebody that's going to pay for it in the future, regardless of whether you plan on continually paying for it, with the years to come or whatever, or even a month longer. What they want to hear is not that you're not satisfied. It's actually the contrary. They want to hear that you're satisfied, that you love the service, but you're just not ready to commit to it yet. And that will prompt them in to giving you more free time. Twice now I've gotten, like I said, 3 times I've actually gotten extended, but twice now it's been a practically 2-month extension, 100% for free. So why would you not take that if you couldn't get it? You know what I mean? So, like I said, don't be afraid to ask. Download that, and then with the next lecture, we'll just jump right in and we'll start getting moving forward.